Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to play Ddlc Literature Club on Windows. Start by downloading from a trusted source like Steam or itch.io, check system compatibility, then run the installer and follow prompts. Use administrator rights if needed, and allow the game through your antivirus if it flags files. Finally, create a desktop shortcut and launch the game to configure visual and audio settings before you begin. To install, open the platform page, click Download, and wait for files to finish. Run the installer with administrator privileges, accept the license, and pick your install location. If you run into blocked files, allow access in Windows Defender or your antivirus app. After installation, verify integrity on Steam or rerun the installer to repair files. Create a convenient shortcut and test audio and full-screen options. If you hit problems, start with updating Windows and your graphics drivers, which fixes many crashes. Try running the game in compatibility mode for older Windows versions if the launcher fails. Close overlays like Discord or Steam and stop heavy background apps to improve performance. If audio or fonts look wrong, reinstall the game or verify files. Keep a backup of your saves so you can restore progress after fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.